fold over we talked about. So I'm gonna measure her at about there, and then we still have to put a thumb hole. I think the scissor needs new dentures. So we have, now we're gonna put it where we want it. Okay, here. There's our thumb, so we're gonna cut our thumb hole. And it's usually just a very small nick. We're gonna roll it up. Insert. Roll it towards the thumb. Where's your thumb? Your thumb's going all over the place. Alright. I'm gonna come up here. So now we're closer to where we want it to get. We're palmar here, so when we're rolling it up, we have some to cover. And then it's gonna end up here, so you get this roll up to cover it. That's first line of defense. Second line of defense is your cotton. This is gonna go, again, over the wrist first, and we wanna have good control of it. So we're gonna come here once, twice, and we're gonna work our way down, like if we were wrapping a boxer. Once, twice, and then we don't wanna omit this part here, so when we go on our last one, roll it over, see where the thumb is, and we can just snap up here, push the thumb through, and then we're gonna start working our way up, going 50%, 50%, 50%, 50%, and then here we straighten it out. And then we would usually come back if we need to. Here we have enough on the padding. We can come back and double check, make sure that we're padded here. And then if we needed to add some extra, we can add some extra. If we're doing our splint, if we're gonna do a short arm, we would apply it like a gutter splint like this, mold it to the hand. So we would come here, we'll have her turn over, we would cut it to the length. So we're gonna cut it to this length here. Here. We're going to put our wrist in a neutral position, so right in here. We're going to mold it. And then we can use an ace bandage to stabilize it. So we come here. Twist, open, up. If this was a calf, this is when we would tuck it in. Work our way back down. Outer. Down. And then she'd be splinted. We can just start molding it as we want it to immobilize the joint here. Put her in a little bit of neutral position. We could even start molding it up here. Now this one's kind of old, so it has like some edges that are not as malleable. But a new one, or like an orthoglass, it actually rolls on kind of soft. You gotta mold it quick and then it'll stay. So this is what we're gonna be doing, but we're gonna be doing a circumferential